Hello students, today we are going to do revision of chapter 5, acids, bases and salts. So what are acids? Acids are sour in taste. Acid turns blue litmus into red. Substances that are sour to taste are acidic in nature. So these are some of the properties of acids that which I telling you. Acids are sour in taste. These turns blue litmus into red. Litmus, it is a indicator which is responsible for telling whether the substance is acidic or basic. Third, substances that are sour to taste are acidic in nature, or we can say acids are acidic in nature. For example, curd, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, etc. So when you will taste them, you will come to know that acids are sour in taste. Now bases. Bases are bitter in taste and soapy in touch. What is the first property of base? That bases are bitter in taste and when you will touch it, it will be felt soapy. Those substances that are bitter to taste and soapy to touch are basic in nature. As acids are acidic in nature, in the same way, bases are basic in nature. For example, baking soda, antacids, caustic lime, etc. Now, third topic is indicators. Chemicals that are used to check acidic or basic nature of substances are called indicators. So, what are indicators? These are the substances which are responsible for telling that whether the substance is acidic or basic. The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or basic substance. So, how do indicators tell us that whether the substance is acidic or basic? When they are added to a solution which is containing any acidic or basic solution, they turn the color, they change the color. Now, natural indicators. The indicators which are occurring naturally are called natural indicators. For example, turmeric, litmus, China rose petals, we can call it common name is gudhal, etc. are some of the naturally occurring indicators. One of the most commonly used indicator is litmus solution, a natural indicator. So, mostly which indicator is used to test whether the solution is acidic or basic? That is litmus solution. This litmus is available in the form of strips also, paper also and solution also, and this is being obtained from lichens. Acid turns blue litmus paper to red and bases turn red litmus paper to blue. This property we have already read, that acid turns blue litmus paper to red and bases turns red litmus paper to blue. Now, China rose indicators become dark pink when an acidic substance is added to it. So, how do China rose indicates that whether the substance is acidic? It turns into pink color. It turns into dark pink color. Now, turmeric paste remains yellow in acidic solution but turns to red in basic solution. This is the very good example and commonly seen in your houses also. Suppose anytime while eating any food particle falls on your t-shirt, then what happens? As you will go for washing, that turmeric stain, as it will come in contact with soapy solution, it will be converted into red. So, this indicates that turmeric paste, or we can say turmeric, also indicates that whether the substance is acidic or basic, whether the solution is acidic or basic. Now, neutral substances. Substances that are neither acidic nor basic in nature are called neutral substances. Now, here another topic, neutral substances. The substances that are neither acidic nor basic are called as neutral substances. Neutral substances do not affect the color of indicator. As these are neutral, they are neither basic, they are nor acidic, so they will not affect any indicator. Their color will remain same. For example, water, table salt, sugar, cooking oil, etc. For today it is enough. Now next revision we will do in next class.